my chef when you are about attention TV, so one is attention TV, dear. In some majesty, away my money and my for and only a wabble and only a son is operated, so soon you at the Abedania chef one, and then a pussy for and some majesty, away my gun in one say. A billy say, Yanka say, say, Shatta Wale, Yan say, Yanka say, Shatta. A yacht house ni, and bring your brand new now to be back on to our pruning minimum where they are fine 7 million. Now this time round, no bambons in the minimum of praying in an say. Or can I drink the share Ghana celebrities? Say, Yanka say, yes, sister Hajia4real, name some barbon, some number Casaya, or Mocassa and a Shatta and a Shatta. Say, Mamma, nearly Billy Shatta, your bad boaka can hang. And to Shatta to me born home or the end, there can be the or the money man will be a cassette. I Ghana celebrities to draw na munina cocaine na modele de legum cocaine na modele export ni import na unkwaleba ba mo kra yan kama asem na mo tag on Shatta onye den Hajia4real asamba ye bia ekedi obia bi mu sasho mo de fedu ana mo ti ono mo hwe no mo ye we chire ni ade wan wonni ma wo be ye Shatta mo nni mo bia mo de ma asamba kono so. Yeah, we see a form. I brush at that pruning minimum where their first answer is some. Your friend or an Asia dragging into rates and young continuing maybe bra.
See, America, this everywhere. Right now, those fraud, it's everywhere. So you know if you go into somebody in country 7 go to they will catch you. My guy, they will lock you. You know what I'm saying? I hear a whole lot of people saying bullshit. As they catch Hajia4real. Some stupid people for this country. I don't know if, but I see that why sometimes if someone does something, I want to insult the person, make it go in here this because sometimes we feel for this country so much, say some small matter where you go up in, then everybody here, if you fall down, that be one how we clap. Hey, the guys, everybody happy. Foolish country, very foolish country. You understand me? Just with few positive people, but the majority, the foolishness be too much on the internet. Sometimes they see that in the cell, hey, so this is what they reason or something, or they think. How you go fit there? Then if Hajia4real get matter, then all you go talk be say FBI check Shatta Wale, your mother, your father, your mother again, your father again. I don't watch all those things on the internet and they say, you people, I don't get time for it because I have to count money. Right now, finish count the money. Your mother! I didn't see the thing. So, no, not Pia come. They not Pia come, they do things. No, they not Pia get problems for, they will collect Shatta Wale answer. Your mother! You don't get where somebody buys from. Your mother! We fool for this country inside so much. Say, if problem there, we don't feel solved. Pastors, they Ghana, where do they talk? Webe. Everybody, you see now in front of your house because here we know they talk any matter. Your mother! Even me, where they arrest. Even me, where I take my life, go police station. Say me, they for lock me because they say they catch a person. So they for lock me. When man go jail, for all these things, they say me I cause panic. The panic I cause, it make people die. It make people lose money for accounts. It make people commit suicide. Me alone, what's I write that? As a pastor, they talk that to me. No leader for the country come inside, say, hey, what Shatta is doing, let's pay attention to it and follow what he's trying to send us a message that no, we need to stop these things because how pastor go fit talk say somebody go that or so this, and then the security of the whole country or Shatta say you need to for the among will be hey, man change things. You understand me? Those nonsense things you put the Ghana. Sometimes you get there one day do nonsense things for the country make. I don't know how. And you see, when they do them, you penny for no much on a moon say, hey, Jimmy. That be how they see the country. Because they Jimmy. There's people they tag FBI. Go ask FBI, your mother. If you say ask man they do fraud. Man go do fraud, do what? You don't see the hard work they put in. You don't say mosquito inside that day. Your mother. Say me the arrest medical, me the arrest fella, me the arrest. Because we made arrest Samamuni because we be Hajia4real. Your mother! Tell your mother, say I say mother! You boy, you don't know the spirit they play with you. You be the man they play. Hey, man no can play for you. So if you day way some things, then you gotta come then, talk the thing where make Charlie Hajia get this thing. Make we do this thing. Tell him, make we all pray for him. Make it come. We don't get that thing for on a tongue talk. You feel say you go survive. Your mother. Why people way they do way, if man go out. Recently, at the travel go Kumasi way, we catch airport. They say some guy for there. Say me I dey go Takari some time ago. I don't talk to one so as I catch here, no, the time where I catch here, no way it be right time where me and my crew all they go board the plane. My crew even no go see the place. The guy take me my ticket go because he say he won't show me something. Your mother. The guy there passing yourself, he mother. The guy where in your sister, he mother. We fought too much for this country. We fought too much for this country. Like something they do we are sick in our brains. Every day, somebody for fall down before a Ghana man go happy. Every day, somebody for fall down, then Ghana man go happy. Go check. You know see what? Go see when I bloggers. They feel blog was sia blogging, Jimmy blogging, Tumuni Coca blogging, Nkwasiasem, and I am with it. Go and check Tunde Head Not. Go and check people, you know, Mufasa. Go in page, Instagram page, see in captions. You don't know something that they teach you, put they want to talk something like this thing, and they arrest Hajia4real's. So FBI come and catch you. What's here? Go ask FBI, say if they get my document for them now. Or if you say America, they fool. Shatta Wale, you no go fit travel. Your mother! I go travel make people see. Your mother! Everybody do that to them. Big men, everybody they can't do. Okay, let's see if Shatta Wale will be arrested because Shatta the way is. Like I tell you post story. Me once upon a time, they tell me artists, Ghana artists. When they take Coca, they travel past airports. Where airports they monitor them. Ghana artists, airports no. Go ask airports. Those people where they want news, go airports and ask them how many artists for Ghana here where they take Coca and they travel for airports where they monitor them. Your mother. You say I go there, I go take cocaine travel. How much do you pay for it? No, me nobody go be paying for cocaine. Make I take travel. Safe. I go be done. How much you go be paying? You know how much money I want. Then people they can't date there. If matter happen, we can't just sit down and say, hey, let's pray. Come on, let's put our hands together and pray so that this our sister, you could come out for this decision. Nobody they talk about that thing. Anything and Shatta Wale she report. Hey, you see all those people you go to, car go knock you, you know make money, you go suffer. Your mother they go chop him. Your father you go be whatever he be like that when you get money for your family. You go die like that. Your mother. Sometimes when man they do something, somebody can say, oh, why is Shatta? No, why is he angry? And why is he doing that? And why is... I'm doing that because of your mother. Because when it happen, nobody they fit talk for me. Nobody they talk about it. And nobody say, no, why are you guys tagging Shatta Wale into this? Because the countries have, they don't respect musicians. They don't respect teachers. They don't respect doctors. They don't respect nurses. The country, they don't respect anything. The citizens where they said next year you go see people go from line. They go talk say they go vote for my president. They go vote for my themselves they go vote for the president. If we them now they go talk about my president. Hey, what Jimiana? Jimmy wana. Let's come together and fight for one thing. That one you not go nobody in my inside. Go for then they do interviews. Then they do, then somebody go do interview. Then they talk about Shatta Wale in here. They go talk about this thing and the way they thing and Shatta they for your mother. Tell your mother to in grandmother say me I say your mothers. When Timmy to the country because what is happening, our leaders don't even fucking want to talk about it. A guy like me, I do work, I try hard, I try for myself, everybody they see. The streets they see. There's some 30 people when they internet up. 30 people. Then they cause the country make you go backwards. If man they go talk, then somebody go talk say, Nyabo Chaka, Nyabo Trum. Abo Trum, Nyabo Trum. Abo Chasa.
Yankasi ya umese ya Shatta si ya nyama mesi ya Shatta esi kasani ade nyele beni Shatta yo shike fie mi no nyefie na ka nyele aka ka nyefie na ka nyengba na nyenta na wie kona aka aka o Shatta lo besuba o ye ne ka da bi ye nya ade na chese da mlemu na ono so babo nti obekasa kra wonye bi nka na enum ya Shatta ye din mo mpa na ebusia from croford do na de o madwentre e de aba ansa no metumi akenkan ya dwentre no e de amount kai say social media handles ni na ya attention tv enti be like wa share wa comment e wo ye videos ni na e so no edi channel no ho adanse e de atwa foforo o ya sa so na ewrade ehura Ebi mo ka say Shatta you do or fire them or ebi mo so ka say hey Shatta you pa now we know say you chop for one side or you know can't talk anything no. Right now where you can't as you can't talk things in the Charlie before day G. I been trained the do na and a while for what the to comment section wanna mean to me and can kind for more brain a brand in I had share my one tab on some runner from Ohima HR.